Meaning of high-heeled.
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 High-heeled. The term high-heeled refers to a type of footwear that has a high, raised heel. The heels can vary in height and design, but they typically exceed 2 inches in height. High-heeled shoes have been worn throughout history for various reasons, including fashion, cultural traditions, and practicality. Today, they are often associated with formal or dressy occasions, as well as with women's fashion. Wearing high-heeled shoes can alter body posture and gait, which can affect balance and increase the risk of injury. Despite this, high heels remain a popular footwear choice for many people.